Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to look at how you transfer your, once you receive payments from customers, how you transfer that money to your bank account. Of course you will need to transfer this money to your bank account because it's the same account that you are going to use to pay your suppliers. So you need to transfer this money. What happens is that when you receive money from customers, this money is not taken directly to the bank. Rather, it's actually taken to a ledger which is called undeposited funds. I'm going to just illustrate this to you. So if I go to reports here, for example, I can take trial balance here. So you can see this account called undeposited funds. I'm going to say it's this here. So you just see this physical here. I'm going to open this. Now you can see this. These are the payments that we have received so far, and these are under the undeposited funds. This means that this is a cash that the customer has paid, but you have not transferred this cash to the bank. And of course, for purposes of clearing your bills as well with your suppliers, you need to transfer this money to the bank. And I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can do that. So what you do, you go to banking here, then you say transfer funds here. So you transfer funds from undeposited funds to the bank account A. So the transfer amount, you can just say you are transferring the full amount, 12,000. However, note that before I proceed here, it's good to mention that because these customers paid this money independently, and at one point you are going to be reconciling your bank account, then it's always advisable to transfer this money in parts, the way the customers paid. And this is going to especially assist you when you are doing your bank reconciliation. So because you know that these customers paid there were actually two different customers, and one of them paid 2,000 and the other one paid 10,000. So you can just transfer them in parts. So I'm just going to save and new. Then I'm going to do another transfer, 10,000, and close. Now if you go to the reports again, you are going to see that the undeposited funds has now a zero balance, and your account has the 12,000, which was previously in the undeposited funds. So that's simply how you transfer money from your undeposited funds account to the bank account. And of course this is going to be a crucial section when you come to the bank reconciliation. But until that point, for now, that's how you transfer the undeposited funds to your bank account. Thanks guys for watching.